I have here a one-way pan head sheet metal screw. This screw is typically used on applications where you do not want to have the screw backed off. So you can only put this on with a regular screwdriver. As you can see here, I'll just turn it for you. However, if you went to take it off, you cannot take it off. The reverse has a slope to it and it doesn't allow you to back the screw off. And we're going to install this one way with this flathead screwdriver. Got to apply consistent pressure until it gets going and it starts to draw itself in like it's doing now. You have to use a very large flathead screwdriver. As you can see, I'm using here. Can't use a small one, it'll just slip out. You could use also some wax if you want on the screw, make it easier for it to go in. I should have done that as I'm struggling here a little bit. You can't back it off because once it's in the only way to get it off.